Guys, thanks for joining us today. It's Mike from Weeby Autos. They have a 1951 Chevy Styleline. Beautiful car. I got the owner. He is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Good, good.
Man, what a car.
Well, thank you.
Pretty rare, huh?
Yep. 1951 Chevy Deluxe automatic.
Okay.
It's got low mileage.
Beautiful restoration. Great color combo, too. You don't really see these in automatic.
No, it's pretty rare.
You know, they're mostly right on the tree, 3 on the tree.
Yep. Everything works, even the clock.
Wow, right down to the clock, huh? Beautiful fitment on the panels.
Yeah, my wife and I really enjoy it. You know, we take it out to the Hamptons and we have a good time.
Yeah. You should enjoy them. A lot of people just let them sit around, you know?
Yeah. Gets a lot of thumbs up.
Love the color combo too.
Yeah.
Man, how'd you find a model that matches
hard,
exactly?
Mike.
How did you do that?
I get a lot of compliments on it, especially
Cool.
the kids. They love it.
Very cool. Beautiful paint, chrome, stainless. Again, the fitment is just gorgeous. Nice big stout grille up front.
Yep. Very dependable, starts right up every time.
Love the visor too. Nice accessory you can buy back in the day, along with the window guards.
Yeah, I only take it out on really nice days.
That shows for sure. Beautiful interior, complements the outside very well. Right down to the felts in the windows. Pretty. $57,577 original miles on this car. You can hear the clock ticking.
We call it Daisy.
Ah, cool. That's her name. What's this picture here? Just something similar? Very cool. Let's fire it up. Go ahead, fire it up, Steve.
Sure. Two hands. I've never been listening before. There you go.
Man, you can barely hear it, huh? That is cool. So it's still a 6-volt system, right, Stephen?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a pretty car. Very cool. We running around the block real quick?
Yes, sure. Okay.
Hey Mike, nice meeting you. I'll see
You
you
too,
again.
thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay, Daisy, let's go.
Gauges working and everything?
Yeah.
Very cool.
brake is, everything works. Clock,
Very cool.
gas gauge.
Yeah, what a cruiser.
Yeah, she drives really nice. Stops great.
Probably pretty decent on gas too, huh?
Yeah, very good gas mileage. Yeah, we just take it out on Sundays.
Mm-hmm.
You know, go out east, have a good time with it.
It's great.
My kids love it.
Nice that you can enjoy them.
Yeah,
A lot of people buy them and just let them sit around, you know?
right.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Also, check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com.